If you're a local business owner, optimizing your Google My Business (GMB) listing is one of the fastest ways to improve your online visibility and attract more customers. Today, we're going over the top SEO hacks to help your business stand out in search results and on Google Maps. First, complete your business profile fully. Make sure your business name, address, phone number, website, and business hours are accurate and consistent across all platforms. Add relevant categories and a compelling description with keywords that describe your services. A complete profile ranks better and builds trust with both Google and potential customers. Next, leverage high-quality photos and videos. Listings with updated visuals get more clicks and engagement. Include images of your storefront, products, services, and team. Use the recommended photo sizes, keep them clear and professional, and update them regularly. Videos, even short ones, can boost your ranking and keep users on your listing longer. Another powerful hack is collecting reviews strategically. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews and respond to them promptly. Use natural keywords in your responses when appropriate. Positive reviews improve local ranking and show credibility, while responding to reviews increases engagement and signals to Google that your business is active. Posts and updates are another SEO tool. Use GMB posts to share promotions, events, news, or new products. Google rewards active listings, so posting regularly can improve visibility and give customers more reasons to engage with your business. Finally, optimize for questions and answers. Preemptively add answers to frequently asked questions on your listing. Google's AI may highlight these in search results, which can drive more traffic and improve your relevance for local queries. Bonus tip: monitor insights. Check analytics for how users find your listing, which searches lead to clicks, and where your traffic is coming from. Use this data to refine your keywords, content, and engagement strategy to rank even higher. Thanks for watching. If these Google My Business SEO hacks helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more local SEO tips, business growth strategies, and marketing tutorials. Comment below and tell me which hack you're going to try first to improve your GMB ranking.